good day, everybody. Heading to Durhamtown, going to get the trailer loaded up on the RV. Let's go.
Welcome to Durhamtown. Time to get down and dirty. We decided to come to Durhamton for a few days for Michael's 31st birthday. We got here on Thursday. It is now Sunday. We're leaving today. Of course, that's when we decided to do a video, but that's fine. We left Lexi at home with my mom and my dad, or not at home, I should say, at my parents' house near Jacksonville. And they are also watching the dogs, so we get to relax, and we had a lot of fun.
Here, hold my bike. You're fine. It's okay. You just got a little whiskey throttle there. You're okay. Hold my bike up. Because when that power band kicks in, it throws you back on the bike and you pull even harder on the throttle. Huh? Yeah. No, you didn't need that much gas to get up there. It's okay. You're gonna learn, you know, how much power the bike has. it would have pulled you right up there. You just got a little nervous and gave it a little too much gas. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. You want to keep going or you want to turn around? Just go slower, baby. If you get stuck on the hill, I'm right behind you. I'll come up and make sure you're not going to roll backwards, okay? Just if you're going up the hill and you get stuck, just put your feet out and grab your front brake so you don't drift backwards.
Okay. The front brake is on one more.
Alright. On that there, love, that's when you want to put your feet out and just easy on the gas. Baby, you're fine, just, yeah. Perfect. Now just kick it. You can start from there. Pull your clutch in, and just when you start feeling it, pull your feet out. Yeah, now push with the bike. Push with your feet too to help the bike along. There you go, walk it. Yeah, there you go. You see, you can walk it. You see what I'm saying? You don't have to use all your muscle, let the bike do some of the work. I think my bike's overheating.
Yeah, I hear it.
Let's pull off the trail for a little bit. Yeah. It's alright, love.
Nope, I'm not comfortable. Nope.
Okay. It's okay.
Have to cut through. Or just get me
No,
out.
yeah. I'll ride you over there.
All right, so what went wrong this time? The winch. Fortunately, some people got stuck, which we don't know why they really needed our help since there was four-wheelers there, but took the winch out, got them out, and realized that it wouldn't go back in.
Winch don't work.
That's that. And
I think it's the switch. So we're gonna contact Super ATV and see if they can send us a new switch and see if that's the problem. If not, I don't know. We'll have to get a new winch.
There are worse things, but fortunately we didn't get stuck. We did not go to the, what is it called? The Boulder Ridge? We did not go to Boulder Ridge, and we did not go to the swamp. If we had a group of people, it would probably be fun to get stuck, but not so much when you're by yourself.
Especially if your winch don't work.
Especially if your winch don't work. Yeah, the people felt bad. They thought they broke it or something, but in reality, if we really needed it, we would have been screwed.
Yep.
So yeah, we're about to head on out here. We had a lot of fun, good times, just him and I. No dogs, no baby. It's been a lot of fun. Thank you, Durhamtown.
Been good times.
Great times.
Until next time.
Until next time, and it sounds like more people are coming now.
Come some riding.
Thanks for joining us on our adventures. You can follow us on Instagram at Live In Your Adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More videos coming soon.